and today we are going to make a really simple Chinese dessert which is called 綠豆薏米湯, which means mung bean Coix seed soup. In Mandarin, we call this 綠豆薏仁湯. So right now, let's get started. For ingredients here, we have mung bean and Coix seed. In Cantonese, we call 綠豆, and Mandarin, we call this 綠豆. For the Coix seed, we call 薏米 in Cantonese and 薏仁 in Mandarin. Okay, so after the water is boiled, you can see it is so boiled. And then we are going to add a few ingredients to the water. So first we have to add the Coix seed. And then we are going to add the mung beans. And let the whole thing cook for maybe approximately 30 minutes or something. And then we will have a check for the beans to see if it is cooked okay or not. And so before we take the next step, we add everything here, and then we are going to cover the lid and turn it to low heat. Like this. And then leave it for cook. Okay, so after cooking this soup for a little while, so this step is optional. It depends on if you can buy this or not. So we are going to put some, to give it some fruity flavor of this, we're going to add something called old tangerine peels, which is like this. You can call this old tangerine peel, which is 陳皮 in Cantonese, or 陳皮 in Mandarin. So we're going to crush it a bit, and then we're going to leave it there and then for the continued cooking. And if you do not have this old tangerine peel, you can add some orange peels for cooking, it's also okay. But be careful not to add it too early because you do not want that bitter flavor aroma into the soup. Okay, so you can see the sugar is the brown sugar. We're going to adjust the desired sweetness of this soup. So you add it teaspoon by teaspoon to test if the sweetness is good enough. Test it. So the second large teaspoon of it. the taste already enough for the sweetness. So here is approximately 3 large tablespoons of the brown sugar. Anyway, you can use any type of sugar like white sugar, and maybe other rock sugar stuff is also okay. So look at this gorgeous soup here. You can see how beautiful and simple this is. Okay, so now we are going to serve it. It is a really simple soup. You can serve in a few cooking. Now look at this. Way to go, guys. So right now you know how to make this simple soup called Mung and Coix soup, which is 綠豆薏仁湯 or 綠豆薏米湯. I hope you like what I've introduced to you today. Be sure to subscribe and comment below, and be sure to turn on the notifications so you do not miss out any simple dishes. I will see you in the next video. 我哋下次見，拜拜。